Bida, o bida kontra bida, o bida-bida, basta lahat sila magaling.
A lot of times, Christian, alam mo ba yun? Lalo na with the kind of production and casting ng acting ng mga primetime teleseries ngayon, di ba? From the lead stars all the way to the supporting cast and the minor characters, na kahit konti lang ang eksena, damang-dama mo na umi-eksena sila. This is the kind of chemistry that is found in this drama series where all its characters blend so well together, acting their best and playing their roles perfectly. Congratulations to the entire cast of 2024's Best Ensemble Acting for Television, Lavender Fields.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Jamie Remoquillo.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre sa mga director namin, Direk Manny Palo and Direk Jojo Sagin. And of course, kay Ate Jody. Ate Jody. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you. To the cast, amazing cast. This is for us. Cheers.
And thank you po sa lahat ng nanood talaga on ABS-CBN, TV5, Netflix. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.